watching the last channel. Last video was my very first one. So if you have any feedback or comments, just leave them below. And let's get talking. Let's have a yarn. So let's spill the tea. What's the tea today? Let's spill the tea on this week we're gonna do We Are Knitters. Here we go. Happiness in a kit. Isn't it cute? I thought this packaging was really, really good. I have to say, We Are Knitters, I think it was also around November or December last year when I ordered them. And I think it arrived in a week or something like that with, I think it was DHL, was the courier. So for this one, I bought the needle because I did not have 15mm needle. So I actually bought the cable needles with that because I can't use straight needles. I just cannot. Ever since I started using cables interchangeable, I just can't go back to straight. It just hurts my hands, and anyway, the needle itself is not bad. I've gone with the wood ones, and they have really cute branding on there. You probably can't see this. I'll take a picture. So that I was kind of excited because the wool is like really cute in like a little beautiful turquoise color, and I thought, oh, that feels really luxe, right? So I couldn't wait to start doing this. I think the pattern said to cast on, I think it was just 13. So your pattern comes in a little bag like that, and it's the Nico scarf. Basically, it's a scarf. You don't have to gauge. You just cast on. So let's see. Cast on 16. Sorry, not 13. So it was basically just cast on 16, and it says work 148 rows. Because it was a scarf, I didn't bother counting. I just went for it. I just went for my life. I didn't know how, when I first started knitting, I was really drawn and attracted to these bulky knits. And I have to say, the 15mm, it was so hard to knit. Does anyone else find this? Like, my hands hurt. So I could only do a few rows at a time, which is fine. So this is one of those that you do it at home. Don't think about it, have a few rows, your hands hurt, and then you leave it behind, you drop it, and then you pick up something else. But I was knitting this and something else that was chunky. I can't really remember now. Maybe it was this cardigan. We'll talk about this cardigan next time. And it was just, whoa, okay, I really need to go to something that's finer next time. So that was interesting. I just, I think I got over my bulky yarn phase after this. But this feels thick, plushy, not super soft, but soft. The edges curl a little bit, but I think it's fine because it's so thick, right? And when you wear it around your neck, whoa, this is some heavy duty scarf. The good thing about this was I thought, I'll just buy something different, right? And I haven't made a scarf I think I only made one scarf. And the rest I've done were like an infinity scarf. So this is really different. So I thought I'll buy this because I haven't been doing something like that. And I think, as usual, they were having a sale. You know me, I always buy stuff on sale. Well, you have to with We Are Knitters and Wool and Gang. Because this thing, can you believe it, on sale, free shipping, was £59. I think I remember it was 110 or 120 Australian, and I nearly had a shock when I saw the credit cards. It was like, oh, did it cost that much? Oh well. Maybe next time I'll get something else. But this stitch was really cute, really different. And this is the front, and the underside's just sort of all pearls. So texture wise, love it. Simplicity, love it. Chunky look, love it. Chunky knitting, not loving it. Not loving it at all. So I don't know what to do with these needles, and I honestly don't know how people were knitting with 25 like jumbo sticks, because my hands get really painful and I just did not enjoy it. Just couldn't do it for long. So a scarf is okay. So if you're gonna do chunky, I think stick to that. I thought it was a bit, it was great. Something different to do, and I probably won't buy the kit anymore. The yarn maybe not as well, because I'm a bit over bulky. At the start, like seriously at the start, I was just like, why is everything in DK or 8-ply? Why do all the shops here sell just 8-ply, 10 or 12-ply, and then that's it? And I guess I sort of know why. It's a good look. It's quick to knit up. But, it's a bit holey. And when you weave in your ends, you have to be really careful too, because it can fall apart. So, nice and warm and fuzzy. Kind of enjoy it. Something different, a different color. What do you guys think? What do you think of the color? Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about, have you guys ordered from We Are Knitters before? And is it really happiness in a kit? Let me know. And we'll come back and talk about something else next time. Bye!